Okay, in this part here, we want to add together two fractions that have common denominators, which is nice because if they already have common denominators, you don't have to worry about converting the fractions, making equivalent fractions. For this problem, go ahead and use the sign they like to put off the side, but when we're working with addition or subtraction, it's easiest just to think about it being up there with the numerator. And then in that case, all we have to do is treat it like it's one of our integer problems that we've done before. Negative 1 plus 5 is 4, and then we're working with 6, right there, 6. We can reduce this by dividing by the greatest common factor they share, and we get 2/3 for our final answer. There. If they were not like denominators, if the denominators were different, then I would go ahead and review the first video segment on problems 1 and 2, where you can use factors here to get the greatest common multiple, and you can end up with fractions that have the same denominator, and you can add them together. Okay? But this one, it's just a matter of making sure you know that that negative sign goes up there with the numerator, and you're only dealing with the numerators. Problem number 7, we should convert this mixed number. Remember, converting mixed numbers, multiplying, and then adding the 2. So keep in mind here, just for now, figure it's going to be a negative sign. It was a negative mixed number. It's going to be a negative fraction. Don't let that affect your conversion of the form. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 2 is 17, and keep your units, 5, your denominator. And adding, same thing for this one, okay? Multiplying 2 times 3 and add 1. So 6 plus 1 is 7. Keep your denominator. Now on this one we have to convert it. So on this one what we're going to do is we've got 5 and 3. Their least common multiple is 15. And we can multiply this side by 5s, this side by 3s. And we end up here with 15 over 51, and it's a negative. We're adding 35 over 15. Okay? And again, might even just want to think about that negative sign. Well, we'll take it. Yeah. The negative sign there, right here, belongs to that 51. And we, again, just going to negative 51 plus 35. Okay. And negative 1 plus 35, we get 16. And it's 16 negatives over 15. Okay, keeping your denominator. If they want it to be reduced, or they say simplify it, then you could take this and convert it back to a mixed number form. 15 goes into 16 once with 1 left over. Keep your denominator again, and it was a negative, so it stays negative. If, like in the first quiz, they wanted rational number form, and on this second quiz, they don't care, but when they ask for a rational number form, they are looking for this answer. When they ask you to simplify it on this quiz, they mean go ahead and make it a mixed number like that. Personally, I would accept either answer on this particular test or quiz.